Welcome to Rather Be Teaching. I'm Janelle Carroll, and let's get started. If you want to get your students getting super motivated and excited to find text evidence, then this is for you. Today, I'd rather be teaching monumental learning. So let's take a look at what is it? Students are going to be constructing an epic monument. And really, the goal of this is that teams will compete as rival architectural design firms with the challenge to dream up an epic monument to help the world remember everything they need to know about what you're learning. This is an amazing strategy, and I hope you stick around for the next videos.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.